Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer with Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Sweet Project Cars, okay. I don't know what made me do that, but anyhow, Sweet Project Cars, cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are before they get a chance to be missed by you who's watching the video.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson. Now, Thompson, whatever his name is today. These right here are so important to your AC. If your AC is not working the way it should, you could lose 5 to 50% of your cooling capacity of your AC if you're not doing this process right here. You cannot have this right here on any of your AC, not any fins. Up there, there's some, and then down here, you want to make sure you get this. If you have to take your grill out or if you have to take whatever off to get to this, it's very simple to do. Each one of these is labeled with how many fins per square inch. This one happens to be 12 fins per square inch. And you just set the tool in, and you can see how it's all ragtag there. I set the tool in as high up as I can. It'll go right in if it's right on. And you just slowly pull it down. Now I will give you a hint. Take a little WD-40 and spray it on here so that these glide through nicely. I'm not doing that right here so I can keep the video short. I'm just going to pull this down through there a little bit at a time. It might be a little bit time consuming, but you'll straighten it out. Now these were all crinkled over like that. Now look at, they're straight. And I'll just do it over and over. You wiggle it till you get it in. No pun there, guys. Keep it clean. So I'm gonna pull that down, and if you get it where it's stuck, you just peel it up like that, and that'll pull them out. See, this was just like this up here was just like this, and I'll keep doing that until I get it all perfectly straight. Can't tell you how important this is. All right, whoever put this fan on here did not do a good job with it because it's bending over the fins in there. Get this done, and watch your AC work way better. GoPro, stop recording.